Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can make free calls from any browser without an account on your PC or mobile device. Let's begin. So it's actually very easy. You can do this on any browser. For example, I'm going to use Chrome. Just type in this website talk.brave.com. So I'm going to enter this again. Okay. Talk.brave.com. Hit enter. Here, start free call up to 4 people. Click on this option, allow this time, enter your name, and then just click on join meeting. All right. Once you're here, it says you are now a moderator. So you can configure everything. You can unmute or disable the microphone, camera. Very important. Start, or what I mean is the share screen. You also have the open chat over here, the emojis, the participants will be listed over here, and more actions. So go ahead, explore everything here. Very important, invite people. Click on this option, copy the meeting link, and just share this with your friends, colleagues, anyone you would like to keep in touch with. So once they access this on their browser, whether it's PC or a mobile device, uh, they will actually join you in this meeting. You can now go ahead, start audio, video calls, and chat over here. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done for free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.